Now let's send things over to First Alert meteorologist Lauren Bostwick, because the next question people want to know is, what's the weather going to be like?
Well, the weather isn't going to be too bad during the fireworks shows. However, we do have the chance for a couple spotty showers within the afternoon and evening hours moving into the next couple of days. So it's really something you want to keep in mind if you have any outdoor festivities planned, especially into this afternoon. We will be looking at the chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms across North Texas, generally speaking, along the I-35 corridor and off towards the west. Now off towards the east, more drier conditions will be expected, and I'll talk about why we're seeing that in just a couple of minutes. 91 degrees is what the temperature will be today. 90 degrees for tomorrow. Again, we have cloudy skies, and that's keeping us, well, not too hot for this time of the year. So actually enjoy those temperatures, because we should be around 94 degrees. That's our average temperature for this time of the year. But July 4th, 92 is the forecast temperature. Morning showers, afternoon storms will be expected. But the good news is we will see some drier conditions back into the forecast as the fireworks start to, well, display at night. Now, I want to talk about the radar. As of right now, a couple spotty showers, couple of thunderstorms starting to develop across our western counties, but over across the Metroplex and off to the east, we are very dry. This is why. High pressure systems dominating off into East Texas and Louisiana. But notice it's wrapping around a lot of moisture coming from the Gulf. And that's why with initiation of thunderstorms and later on this afternoon, it'll tap into that daytime heating, and that's what will allow for some showers and storms to ignite. And that's why we're seeing it off towards the west a little bit further and not off towards the east. So we do have that potential across the area later on this afternoon into the evening. Around 4 p.m. is what this particular forecast model is showing. A couple of isolated cells and some scattered shower potential. But look at this. By 9, which is when some of the fireworks shows are, everything starts to dissipate, just some lingering cloud cover. Moving into the day tomorrow, starting off the day with a couple of sprinkles here and there, flow of some showers and a couple storms likely within the afternoon, and then things settle down into the evening. That'll be the case into your Independence Day forecast. Rain chances will be likely along the I-20 and I-30 corridor and up towards the north along the Red River Valley. Again, 8 a.m. to around 4 p.m. is when the majority of the activity will be expected. I do want to give you your 4th of July forecast, though, not only precipitation-wise, but also temperature-wise. 79 degrees in the morning. Temperatures continue to climb back around 85 for you. At lunchtime, 91 is that forecast temperature around 5 p.m. It won't be feeling too bad at all, actually, for your 4th of July forecast. Now, today, again, 91's your high temperature around 3 p.m., dipping back down into the 80s by later on tonight. If you're headed off to the fireworks shows around 9 p.m., 82 degrees is where you'll be sitting. You definitely won't need a jacket. It'll feel quite nice outside. Temperatures continue to climb, though, as we move into this weekend, back into the mid to upper 90s by Sunday, and again, drier conditions will be expected.